Learn English. In this lesson, we will learn the basic vocabulary to provide personal information, either written or spoken, which is very useful in our days to fill out an online form or in different situations in everyday life. Let's get started. To fill our form, we will use a character named John Robert Williams. Let's begin. Place of birth. Place of birth. Place of birth. Place of birth. Let's look at where John was born and what data we need to provide. Salado, Texas, United States. Salado is the town or city. Texas is the state. And United States is the country. Let's look at each of them. Town. 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 City. 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 State. 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 Country. 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 In our form, we will fill in the following fields: nationality, national ID, passport, driving license, TIN number, and ID number. Let's see the first of them: nationality. 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 But what nationality is John? John is American. American. National ID. National identification number. Let's see how to pronounce each of them. National. 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 Identification. 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 Number. 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 When we talk about an identification, we can use different documents such as passport, driver's license, or another identification. Let's look at each of them. Passport. 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 Driver's license in the US. Driver's license. Driver's license. Driver's license. Driving license in the UK. Driving license. Driving license. TIN number. Taxpayer identification number. Taxpayer. 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 Let's look at our form. And we have our data, John's nationality, and many numbers on his documents. Let's continue. Date of birth. Date of birth. Date of birth. Date of birth. Let's look at John's date of birth. And the parts it consists of. 08 is the day, 01 is the month, and finally 1985 is the year. Let's look at each of them. Day. Day. Month. 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 Year. 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 Age. 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 John's age is 36 years old. Let's complete in our form. John's date of birth. The day is 08, the month 01, and the year 1985. Okay, let's continue with our next data, address and status. Address. 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 Let's look at John's address. 4824 is the house or apartment number. Elm Street is the street name. Dallas is the city. TX is the state, which is Texas. And the last number is the zip code. Let's look at each of them. House number. House number. House number. Apartment number in the US. Apartment number. Apartment number. Flat number in the UK. Flat number. Flat number. Street. street, street. Zip code, zip code, zip code. Status, status, status. Residence, residence, residence. No residence, no residence, no residence. Citizen, citizen, citizen. We choose a status for John, which is citizen. Now, let's take a look at our form, and we have our data. Okay, let's review. Town, city, place of birth, state, country, nationality, national ID, number, identification, passport, driver's license, driving license, date of birth, age, day, month, year, address, apartment number, flat number, street, zip code, status, residence, no residence, citizen. And finally, we have our data complete with each one of the fields. We did it. Good job. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in our next lesson. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And see you in our next lesson, personal information phrases.